Another glorious day. Weather has just been absolutely fantastic. You know, light jacket, probably about 68, 69 degrees right now, I guess. That's pretty cold for desert rats. But I've just been hanging out. There's been some traffic in and out. This spot right here is pretty popular. And you know, if you find it empty, you can consider yourself lucky, because there's normally somebody in here all the time. So I got lucky on that, I guess. So, that's about it. Been sleeping like a rock, you know. Solar has been absolutely perfect. It's pretty cool when you wake up at, you get up at 8:30 in the morning. Well, you get up at early, but by 8:30 in the morning, your batteries are fully charged, and the solar's drop voltage down to just a maintenance charge, like maybe 2.4 amps or something like that. Batteries are at 14.1. What more can you ask? I had to get the drone out a little bit today, fly around a little bit. I hope you liked the orbit around the campfire. That was kind of fun. It took me a little while to get that set up. I'm not as proficient at it as I should be, I guess. I've had it long enough, but I'll go in spurts. I'll get it out and I'll fly for a week or two, and I learn some stuff, and then I leave it sit for 6 or 7 weeks, and then I forget what I did, and then I have to start over again. So I've been a couple of comments, though, that I should be doing that all the time. At the end of the video, I'm going to put this one kind of in the middle. Well, I thought, because the light was still fairly good, and I wanted to get that orbit shot. So what else? I've just been eating and sleeping and watching movies, and that's what you do when you go camping. You just sit around and relax. And I went for a little walk today, but I didn't take the camera with me. So I definitely have to spend more time in the high altitude, though, because you lay around at low altitude all the time, and for a year and not do much, and you come up here and you get all that fresh air, and boy, you think you're all ready to go, and then you walk a little ways, and you figure it out. You're not that ready to go yet. It comes. It takes about 2 weeks, and then you start. The oxygen starts building, I guess you could say. I'm no doctor, but but it takes about a week and a half, 2 weeks or so, and then you get used to the altitude. And then, boy, what's really cool though is when you go back down to the lower altitude, then you've got all that energy. And then I got enough energy now, so I'll be climbing the walls when I do go back down there. I'm going to be here for another, I don't know, 2-3 days maybe. Checked on Lily, and she's doing good. The neighbor is checking on her all the time, and feeding and watering and giving her treats, and paying attention to her and all that. So she said that she's happy. She's happy as a lark. She lays up in the window all the time on her sun deck, and looks out the window and watches the other cats and the other dogs, and gets all excited when a bird gets too close. She's a cat, I guess that's about all. Somebody wanted me to get a shot, do a video with the sunset in the background with the fire and all that. So there you go. Hope you can see it. It's getting kind of dark now, but it's too bad there's no clouds. It clear as a bell, so they're not going to get any red clouds or pink clouds and all that. So I guess that's all. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.